Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is in the healthcare field. It is billing and follow up. We are going to dive all in. Just note the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. The company is called PMD. They have 153 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.8 out of 5-star rating. If you want to go read some of the reviews or do some more research on the company, they are hiring a contract medical AR follow-up specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only, and the reason that I love this job is because their pay structure is a little bit different, so you can really make a lot of money depending on your skills. But this is a basic medical billing follow-up job. So you will be a medical AR follow-up specialist to help physician practices maximize revenue through aggressive follow-up on healthcare insurance receivables. So when the insurance company does not pay the claim, you are trying to figure out why, and you are fighting to get that claim paid. So you may have to use online provider portals, pull EOB statuses, send medical records, things like that. You may have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls as well to the insurance carriers to inquire about the status of past due accounts of secure payment of claims. So any way that you can, you're just going to be contacting these insurance companies, getting the reason for denial, and then following up, see if there's anything that you can do to get that denial overturned and collect payment on these claims. So that's conducting research to update the status of unpaid or denied claims. Of course, you'll document the details of the activities you take on each account in the software solution program. Now, here is where the fun part comes in. They're looking for you to meet or exceed defined productivity standards. They set their productivity as 7 encounters or 7 claims per hour, which is 175 claims per week. As far as a pay goes, the rate on their claim is $2.85 per claim. And when you're doing 7 claims per hour, that comes out to $19.95 an hour. So that's what you're making if you're meeting their productivity and expectations. However, I've worked in billing and follow-up. I am a supervisor for a large healthcare company that supervises billing and follow-up specialists. And before I got my supervisor job, when I was a regular billing and follow-up specialist, we were allowed to work from home back then prior to COVID if we exceeded expectations. So we kind of were on the 7 claims per hour too. And then if you met 8.5 or more claims per hour, that's when you were allowed to work from home. There were days when I could do 12 to 15 claims an hour. It just depended on what was wrong with it and how fast you could fix them. So that's where this job makes me excited, because I'm sure they wouldn't care if you go over the productivity. So if you can work diligently and quick enough, then you could actually make more than that $19.95 an hour. If this sounds like something you're interested in, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just someone who is okay with working the hours of 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, working somewhere in those hours, because that is when insurance companies are open and phone calls would have to be made. Someone who has a basic computer knowledge and word processing skills, someone who can pay great attention to detail, someone who has experience communicating effectively with payers, insurance companies, and of course they are looking for somebody who has prior collections or medical billing experience, who has a basic understanding of ICD-10 diagnosis codes, HCPCS and CPT codes, and different medical terminology. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.